Hello, teachers. Are you ready to completely change your workflow and finally get some of your precious time back? Well, you are in exactly the right place. Let's jump in and see how AI can make your teaching life so much easier. Oh, you know the feeling, right? That Sunday night panic starts to set in. You've got this mountain of planning, marking, and resource creation just looming over you. It's a feeling every teacher knows. But what if I told you it really doesn't have to be that way? Just imagine this, getting back 50 to 80% of your planning and admin time. Now, this isn't a fantasy. It's totally possible with the right AI tools. That's more time for what really matters, right? Like actually connecting with your students and maybe, just maybe, having a life outside the classroom. So how do we actually do this? Well, you need to think of AI as your own personal drafting assistant. It's not here to replace you, never. It's here to do the heavy lifting. It'll draft that first 80% of your work so you can sweep in with your teaching magic and polish that final 20%. Okay, but to get AI to do what you want, you kind of need to speak its language. And the key to unlocking all its potential is this super simple but really powerful formula called RTCO. Honestly, it's the difference between getting useless junk and pure gold. And it's a skill you can pick up in like 5 minutes. Let's break it down. R is for role. You tell the AI who to be. You are a year 4 teacher. T is for task. You give it a very clear job. Create a lesson plan for me. C is for context. This is where you give it all the good stuff. The year level, the topic, curriculum codes, all those crucial details. And finally, O is for output. You tell it exactly how you want the info. Do you want a table, bullet points, a script? It's that simple. A quality prompt gets you a quality output every single time. And here is what that looks like in action. See the weak prompt on the left? It just gives you something generic and, let's be honest, pretty useless. But look at the strong prompt on the right. We've got the role, the task, the context, and the output. And boom, you get a perfectly tailored classroom-ready lesson plan that just saved you a ton of time. All right, now that you know the secret language, let's look at the best tools for the job. We're about to go on a quick tour of the top 10 completely free AI tools that are going to make the biggest difference to your workload. You ready? Let's do it. Coming in at number 1, and my absolute favorite, is Google Notebook LM. Seriously, this thing isn't just a tool, it's a powerhouse. It's a total game changer for turning your boring old resources into amazing, dynamic teaching materials. So get this, you can take one single source, like a textbook chapter or a YouTube link, and Notebook LM will instantly spit out a dozen different things, like audio summaries, quizzes, or study guides. And it is 100% free. No limits, no trials. It's perfect for creating a whole unit's worth of resources in minutes. Okay, on to number 2, Google AI Studio. This one is powered by Gemini 1.5 Pro. I want you to think of this one as your heavy-duty research assistant. It's perfect for those really big, complex planning jobs. With this tool, you could upload an entire 500-page curriculum document, I'm not kidding, and ask it to create a 10-week scope and sequence. It can handle massive amounts of text and even gives you citations so you can fact-check. This is your go-to for long-range planning for sure. At number 3, we have Brisk Teaching. This is such a clever little Chrome extension that works right where you're already working, inside Google Docs and on any website. So no more annoying copying and pasting. The real magic of Brisk is just how convenient it is. You can find any article online, and with just one click, you can level it for all the different reading abilities in your classroom. It also whips up comprehension questions and can even give really warm, constructive feedback on student writing. It's a massive time saver for differentiation and marking. And now for a lightning round of the rest of our top 10. Number 4 is Magic School AI, which has over 60 simple tools for rubrics, lesson plans, you name it. At 5, we have Diffit, which turns any link into a lesson pack you can print. Number 6 is Canva Magic Studio. It's free for educators and gives you AI-powered design. 7 is CuriPod for building interactive slides with polls and quizzes. At 8, the famous ChatGPT, a fantastic all-arounder for quick ideas. 9 is Perplexity, a great research tool that actually gives you citations. And finally, at number 10, Microsoft Copilot, which is excellent for creating images and getting quick answers. What a toolkit! Okay, with all this amazing power comes a huge responsibility. So let's just shift gears for a second to talk about the most important thing, using these tools safely and ethically. We have to protect our students' privacy. This part is absolutely non-negotiable.
You should never upload any personal student information. I mean it. No full names, no photos, no medical details, nothing. Instead, you can use anonymous descriptions like Student A or a Year 5 group or a student with literacy needs, and always, always, always follow your school's data policy. Remember, AI drafts, but you, the teacher, are the one who decides.
Okay, let's bring that energy back up. I want to leave you with a really simple but powerful quick win, something you can literally try in your classroom tomorrow. This is all about taking action and seeing the benefits right away.
Here it is, a 3-level reading passage. It'll take you maybe 10 minutes using Brisk Teaching. Just find an article online, highlight some text, and ask Brisk to level it for your support, core, and extension groups. Then get it to generate comprehension questions for each level. And just like that, bam, a fully differentiated, high-quality reading lesson ready to go in less time than it takes to drink your coffee. So we've come full circle, right back to that promise of getting your time back. With an extra 5, 10, maybe even more hours a week in your pocket. The real question isn't just about what AI can do for you. It's about what you will do with all that time you reclaim. More creativity? More connection with your kids? More rest? The choice is all yours.